well, I saw this on Facebook and I thought, well, no, I've never done this song, darling. But I think I should at least try to give that little gal some competition. You know? Wasn't she a darling? If only I could inspire somebody young like that to sing that way. So I thought, well, I'll give it a go. I've never sung the song, but I used to, when I'd hear it on the radio. See how it goes. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been a-coming for some time. And when it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day, and I know it's shining down like water. And I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? And I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hard, and I know it's been that way for all my time. Until forever and on it goes, through the circle fast and slow, and I know, and it can't stop, and I wonder, and I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? And I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Oh, I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? And I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Oh, I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? And I want to know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Creedence Clearwater Revival. Have you ever seen the rain? Hope you like it. Old ladies version. Bye-bye.